कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है वो ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट होता है टूट के। जब कार्बोहाइड्रेट को हम तोड़ देते हैं, वी ब्रेक कार्बोहाइड्रेट इनटू ग्लूकोज। प्रोटीन्स, व्हाट डू वी डू? We break proteins into amino acids. What are we doing? We are breaking proteins into amino acids and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Right? These are the last products which we had got. Digest के बाद क्या करा था हमने? Carbohydrate को glucose में, protein को amino. This was what we did in digestion. Was there any energy produced in digestion? No, zero energy. Now we are gonna make energy from this glucose. अब क्या करेंगे हम? We are gonna make energy from this glucose now. What do you mean by energy, guys? Energy means ATP. Energy in the form of ATP. Yes, very good, sir. बेटा बचपन में आपने पढ़ा होगा, ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट दे आर एनर्जी गिविंग फूड, पढ़ा था। एंड प्रोटीन इज अ बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, पढ़ा था कि नहीं पढ़ा था गाइस? Yes, did you study this or not? Right. तो we will study बस कार्बोहाइड्रेट के बारे में, है ना। फैट से एनर्जी कैसे बनती है, दैट इज लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट, वो बाद में पढ़ोगे आप कभी। बट राइट नाउ व्हाई ग्लूकोज से पढ़ोगे? ग्लूकोज इज द मेन थिंग विच प्रोवाइड्स अस विद एनर्जी। ओके सर, है ना। ग्लूकोज इज द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, है ना, इसलिए हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अभी क्लियर हो गया आज क्या करने वाले? वेरी गुड सर। नाउ हाउ आर वी कनेक्टिंग इट विद डाइजेशन? गाइस अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है, डाइट लव हियर। हाउ आर वी कनेक्टिंग विद द डाइजेशन? डाइजेशन और रेस्पिरेशन कनेक्टेड क्यों है? जो डाइजेशन का एंड प्रोडक्ट है इज यूज्ड बाय रेस्पिरेशन। कूल, ओके सर, वेरी गुड सर। आगे बताओ बेटा। सी एज आई टोल्ड यू, ग्लूकोज इज यूज्ड टू मेक एनर्जी, है ना। एनर्जी मतलब इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एटीपी। यू वुड हैव रेड इट बचपन में, सर एटीपी इज द एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल। ओके, दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट, ठीक है। नाउ गाइस, दिस ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द ग्लूकोज, ब्रेकिंग ऑफ द ग्लूकोज मतलब क्या है? क्या कहते हैं, या आई एम मेकिंग ग्लूकोज इनटू टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी। गाइस हाउ इज इट प्रोड्यूसिंग? देखो कार्बन में ना से ग्लूकोज क्या है? इट्स अ कार्बन कंपाउंड। हाउ एम आई प्रोड्यूसिंग एनर्जी? इसके बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक करके। आपने केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा ना, जब भी केमिकल बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक होते हैं तो एनर्जी बनती है। तो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ओवर हियर, राइट। वेरी गुड, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड। हाँ जी सर। सर अब मैंने कहा आपकी कि दो तरह की भैया रेस्पिरेशन है, एक है एरोबिक एंड एरोबिक। हु विल टेल मी व्हाट इज एरोबिक गाइस? व्हाट इज एरोबिक? व्हाट इज एरोबिक? बट एरोबिक मींस ब्रेकिंग ग्लूकोज इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। What am I doing? I am breaking glucose in the presence of oxygen. Anaerobic means breaking glucose in absence of oxygen. Like so, अच्छा, मतलब एक जगह पे what am I doing? I am using glucose oxygen to break glucose. Here I am breaking glucose without oxygen. Okay sir. Okay sir. सर बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? क्यों मतलब एक जगह पे ऑक्सीजन यूज कर रहे हैं, दूसरी जगह पे नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं, तो इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस? यस ब्रदर, देयर इज लॉट्स ऑफ डिफरेंस, ठीक है। व्हेनेवर आई break glucose using oxygen, right, what happens is lot of energy is produced, lot of energy, 38 ATP energy is produced, है ना। but whereas when I break it in the absence of glucose, only 2 ATP is produced. Like so, अच्छा, तो which would you do? Yes guys, which would you do? Obviously we are humans, we are very greedy here. So what we are gonna do? We are gonna go for aerobic respiration. ठीक है। Some organisms undergo, lower organisms undergo anaerobic respiration. Okay sir, very good. Now why is here 38 and why is there 2 ATP produced? But here what happens is aerobic respiration में the glucose is broken completely. The glucose is broken down completely in aerobic respiration. But in case of anaerobic respiration, what happens? The glucose is broken incompletely. Glucose is broken down incompletely. मतलब obviously ना, यहाँ पे देखो हमारे 6 bonds थे. Here there were 6 carbon bonds. Here all the 6 bonds are broken. ठीक है, 5 बनाए लो, 6. But here in this case, anaerobic respiration, what is happening, guys? Here the 6 bonds are not broken. Only one bond is broken. Are you getting my point? So which will produce more energy? Aerobic respiration. Cool. Very good. Very good. So we have understood sir, दो तरह के respiration होते हैं, एक aerobic, एक anaerobic. Then aerobic में more energy is produced, anaerobic में less energy is produced. Okay. Aerobic में sir complete breakdown happens, anaerobic में incomplete breakdown happens. Is it clear till here, guys? Give me a high five. Is it clear till here? Give me a high five, everyone in the chat box. If it is clear, give me a high five. Very good. Now guys, we are going to talk about steps in respiration. Very good, sir. Steps in respiration, tell us about it. Let us see what happens is, let me change the color. Now what happens is, so the first step which happens is guys, glucose देख रहे हैं is broken down. इसमें दिख नहीं रहा, थोड़ा डार्क कलर लेते हैं कि रेड ही लेते हैं. So guys, glucose is broken down into pyruvate. Sir, मतलब I'll tell you बेटा, I'll tell you. See, what did I tell you? Glucose after digestion where guys, goes into the blood. Do you know this? Glucose after digestion goes to the, and blood takes it where? Blood takes it to all the cells. Glucose digest हुआ, it came into the blood. Blood से where is it going? It is going to my muscles. Muscles में where is going? Into the cell. Into the cell. Are you able to understand? Where in the cell? Cell का cytoplasm में it is going. Is it clear, guys? Where is it going? Blood takes glucose to the cell. ये blood आया, ये हमारा सेल है. ब्लड ने ग्लूकोज को दिया हमारे सेल को, एंड साथ में इसने ऑक्सीजन भी दे दिया इफ इट हैज इट विद. राइट, वेरी गुड. तो गाइस द फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है? जैसे ही ग्लूकोज एंटर्स द साइटोप्लाज्म of the cell, it becomes pyruvate. It gets converted into pyruvate. अच्छा, by the process called as glycolysis. अच्छा, so pyruvate क्या है बेटा? pyruvate से this is a 6 carbon compound, it's a 3 carbon compound. मतलब अब जो 6 कार्बन की चेन थी उसको बीच में से तोड़ के now we have got 2 carbon chain of 3 carbons. Is it clear, guys? Are you able to understand? Give a high five. Right. तो guys, both aerobic and anaerobic respiration में pyruvate is formed. Both anaerobic and anaerobic respiration में glycolysis happens and pyruvate is formed. Are you getting my point? Right, very good. Moving forward now guys, this pyruvate can have 3 fate. It can have 3 fate. मतलब इस pyruvate को 3 तरह से we can further take it up. First step is forming pyruvate, that happens everywhere. ठीक है, very good sir. So what is happening over here? Let us see. Now guys, this pyruvate, right, this pyruvate, है ना, what happens to it? ऊपर देखो, ठीक है. Now this pyruvate, what happens to it? In case of humans like us, हमारे muscles में, सारे organs में, kidney, brain, everywhere, what happens? Aerobic respiration happens, I have told you. So it happens in the presence of oxygen. So now guys, what happens to this pyruvate in the presence of oxygen? ठीक है ना? It enters into the mitochondria. एंड आपने सुना होगा ना, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज अ पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. सुना है, बचपन में कहते थे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल, है ना, ऐसा पढ़ा हुआ हमने. तो गाइस, दिस पाइरुवेट वाज वेयर? इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. कहाँ पे हुआ? ग्लूकोज गॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू पाइरुवेट बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्लाइकोलाइसिस इन साइटोप्लाज्म. दिस पाइरुवेट नाउ एंटर्स माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है गाइस? यहाँ पे इट इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड एनर्जी. Mitochondria में this pyruvate is broken down into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Are you getting my point? In humans normally this happens. Okay sir. There's one more case guys, you would have heard कि जब आप एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, when you are doing heavy exercise, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा रनिंग कर रहे हो और टीचर ने पनिशमेंट दिया, टीचर हैज आस्क्ड यू टू डू उठक बैठक, है ना, और स्क्वाट्स, टीचर हैज आस्क्ड यू टू डू स्क्वाट्स. So guys, what happens is at that time oxygen is not able to reach your muscles fast. For example guys, see, oxygen मेरे lungs में है, from here to come till here it takes time, right? It will take time for the oxygen to go into the blood, है ना, then go to the muscles, right? It takes time. So till that time what happens guys, this pyruvate, now what are we guys? We are greedy humans, है ना, what are we? We are greedy humans. So we have to wait for oxygen to come so that it can break pyruvate. But guys, instead of waiting, what do my muscle cells do? They start undergoing anaerobic respiration. मतलब in lack of oxygen in my muscles, है ना, there's one more type of respiration happens where pyruvate is converted into lactic acid and energy is produced. Here what was produced? Carbon dioxide, but here what was produced? Lactic acid. Here energy was produced, here was 38 ATP. Here Here only 2 ATP is produced. I'll be like, so why are we doing this? But see, if I'm not getting a 38 ATP, I can at least get 2, right? कुछ तो हो. What we humans think, अच्छा चल ठीक है 38 हो रहा है, चल तो कुछ तो बन जाए. Are you getting my point? That is why this is very important. So we produce only 2 ATP, right? Are you getting my point, guys? So when there is less oxygen, when there is less oxygen in my body, my muscles, what do they start doing? They start doing anaerobic respiration. Why? So that they produce at least 2 ATP instead of producing 38. So are you getting my point? To be more efficient, right? Very good. But in the process, what happens? Incomplete breakdown happens. Well, it does not get completely broken, but incomplete breakdown happens. Here, the pyruvate was broken down completely into carbon dioxide, but here it is broken down into lactic acid, which is not complete. It's a 3-carbon compound again, right? Very good, sir. But yeah, hello, lactic acid. But guys, this lactic acid, what does it just do? It forms crystals in the muscles. It forms crystals in the muscles, which causes pain. You would have seen, right? Soreness hoti hai muscles mein. If you have done any exercise, you would feel pain in the body next time. Why? Because this lactic acid crystals, they get accumulated. Are you getting my point? That is what happens over there when you do this thing, right? Very good. Then guys, there is third type. There's a third type of respiration where the pyruvate is converted into absence of oxygen in yeast. Yeast क्या होता है बेटा? Yeast is a fungi, unicellular fungi. ठीक है, very good. This process is called as fermentation. Here again, what happens, guys? Pyruvate is not broken down completely into carbon dioxide because here absence of oxygen. Here it is happening in no oxygen. So what happens here? Ethanol is produced, carbon dioxide is produced, and energy is produced. Again, guys, how many energy will produce? Only 2 ATP because it is incomplete breakdown happening over here, and it is anaerobic. Are you getting my point, guys? ठीक है. तो guys, anaerobic respiration in yeast is called as fermentation. ठीक है. What is the byproduct? Ethanol is produced, carbon dioxide is produced. ठीक है सर. क्वेश्चन यही आता है. क्वेश्चन आता है, what are the products of respiration in muscles in absence of oxygen or lack of oxygen? Yes guys, answer is lactic acid. Why do sportsmen get cramps? Why do sportsmen get cramps during workout or during game or whatever they're doing? Why? Because their muscle starts doing anaerobic respiration and lactic acid crystals are produced. That is why they get cramps. Then one more question comes, why do a baker adds yeast? A baker adds yeast to the dough for making cake. Why? Why guys? Why does a baker add yeast to the dough? आटे में वो yeast क्यों डालते हैं? Or why do you put yeast in a dosa? Dosa you make, right? Dosa का आटे में why do they put yeast? Why? Why? Guys, because the yeast causes fermentation of the dough. Dough ferment होता है and carbon dioxide is produced. This carbon dioxide, guys, when I'm baking the cake, will start escaping. And this makes the cake fluffy. This makes the cake fluffy. Don't you like fluffy cakes? It's a hard cake you don't like, right? We like what do we like? We like fluffy cake. अब fluffy cake क्या है कि अब मुझे याद आ गई केक खाने की. So now I realize I miss cake. I want to have cake, so we will have cakes. Are you getting my point, guys? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Total respiration, guys. एक तो complete respiration, that is aerobic respiration in muscles. Then anaerobic respiration in muscles, and finally fermentation in yeast. ठीक है, guys. So guys, you should know कि aerobic respiration में क्या byproduct बनता है? Carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Anaerobic respiration in muscles में lactic acid and energy. Fermentation or anaerobic respiration in yeast, ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy. Cool, very good. Now guys, अच्छा एक बात बताओ यार, क्या प्लांट रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं? डू प्लांट्स जो रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं क्या ये? यस गाइस, डू प्लांट्स डू रेस्पिरेशन करते हैं? मतलब डू प्लांट्स टेक इन, ये मेरा प्लांट है, डू प्लांट्स टेक इन ऑक्सीजन एंड गिव आउट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? ऐसा होता है क्या? कीपर्स प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं और यू नो ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं जैसे कि फोटोसिंथेसिस में करते हैं। बेटा प्लांट्स डू बोथ, प्लांट्स डू फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड प्लांट्स डू रेस्पिरेशन आल्सो। बट होता क्या है, जो रेस्पिरेशन में प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिलीज करते हैं, दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड इन फोटोसिंथेसिस। तभी हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि प्लांट फोटोसिंथेसिस कर भी रहा है कि नहीं। आर गेटिंग अ पॉइंट? प्लांट्स आर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म गाइस, ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड देते हैं, ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म डू दैट, ठीक है। बट व्हाई डोंट वी सी कि प्लांट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, क्योंकि प्लांट क्या करता है गाइस, प्लांट जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज करता है वो फोटोसिंथेसिस में यूज हो जाता है। बट गाइस एक चीज आपने देखी है, आपने सुना होगा कि रात को यू शुड नॉट स्लीप अंडर द ट्री। व्हाई? रात को you should not sleep under the tree. Why guys? Why? Who will tell me why? Why you should not do sleep under the tree? Yes, come on, tell me in the chat box. Why should not sleep under the tree? Yes, come on. रात को don't sleep under the tree. Why? Yes, guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Exactly, बेटा भूत ले जाएगा आपको, भूत, भूत will come and take you off. भूत will come and take you off. If you sleep under the tree, भूत will come and take you off. ठीक है, तो guys don't sleep under the tree. हाँ जी, amazing. Yes. Okay guys, so you should not sleep under the tree because भूत will come and take you off. Exactly. ठीक है guys. And one more thing, रात को फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता, रात को फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होता तो कार्बन, पर ऐसा कुछ इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट इट्स जस्ट अ सेइंग, ठीक है। तो आई गेस यू अंडरस्टूड इट। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, नाउ गाइस आपने मछली देखी होगी, मछली not on plate, I'm not looking at मछली in plate or not the मछली which was जल की रानी, not those मछलीज, ठीक है। I'm talking about the real मछली। ठीक है, तो अगर मछली देखी होगी गाइस, ठीक है, तो 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 लाइक यू नो, तो मछली जल की रानी है, यस गाइस, जीवन उसका। तो these days my nephew is singing all these songs, ठीक है, तो मेरा नेफ्यू गाता रहता है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओ। तो माय नेफ्यू गेम, ठीक है, माय नेफ्यू गेम ड्रॉ करके लाया वो मछली, ठीक है, मछली लेके आया मेरे को, मामा मामा देखो देखो देखो, मैंने कहा वाओ बहुत बढ़िया बनाई है, जाओ इसको बना के खा जाओ। सो या गाइस, तो इससे याद आया मछली, व्हाट डज इट डू गाइस इज, तो द मछली which is जल की रानी, what does it do is, if you have seen it, it opens its mouth like this, अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा होगा, if you have seen in aquarium, ठीक है, if you have seen in aquarium, you mouth ऐसे 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 it keeps on moving her mouth, ठीक है। तो what does the fish do? If you have seen, it keeps on doing this. So what does it do? It keeps on drinking water. Why? Beta see, machli does not breathe the oxygen in the air. Machli has to use the oxygen which is dissolved in water. Are you getting my point? What's the machli doing? Machli is using the oxygen dissolved in water. And guys, there's less oxygen dissolved in water for machli bichari. Are you getting? But there's less water dissolved in, sorry, oxygen dissolved, water dissolved here. Oxygen dissolved in water for our machli bichari. So it has to take lots of water to make use of all the oxygen. Are you getting my point? Are you able to understand? That is why rate of breathing in machli is high, or aquatic organism is faster as compared to humans. आप देखा ना मछली यूं करते हो. You guys observe, if you have aquarium close by, you just see वो ऐसे 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 पानी पीती रहेगी, right? So that's what it is. So how does it breathe, guys? What's the respiratory organ? Gills. What's the respiratory organ in machli? Gills. The water goes through the mouth. ठीक है, यहाँ पे there are more blood vessels. Here the gills are there. There are lots of blood vessels over here. Lots of blood vessels over here. So after the oxygen is absorbed, the water comes out. The water comes out of here. If you would have seen, यहाँ से ऐसे like it opens up. It goes in the mouth and it opens up over here, right? If you have seen, right? Very good. So that is why respiratory system. You know why is rate of respiration high in मछली जल की रानी? Because it has to use the dissolved oxygen which is very less in the water. मतलब water में dissolved oxygen कम होता है. Now guys, we will start with mechanism of breathing in humans. Humans में क्या होता है भैया? How does respiration happen in human? Guys, I'll tell you. देखो, there are 4 steps involved in respiration. First is breathing. Let's talk about human respiration, guys. ठीक है? Human respiration में क्या होता है, guys? First step is breathing. Breathing is taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. This we understood. Very good, sir. Then next step is, guys, see, oxygen I took in my lungs. The oxygen has in is my lungs. From the lungs, where does this oxygen go? It goes into the blood. Where is it going? Lungs say blood. So first step is breathing in oxygen, getting into the lungs. Second step is moving of oxygen from the lungs into the blood. What's the second step, guys? Moving of oxygen from the lungs into the blood. और ब्लड से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आ जाता है, which I exhale out. ठीक है, that's the second step is exchange between the lungs and the blood. Third step is, guys, this blood now takes this oxygen to my brain or my organs. ठीक है, very good. It takes it to my all the brain or organ wherever. ठीक है, let's say muscles. Now the third step, the or blood will give oxygen to the muscle, and the muscle will give carbon dioxide to the, yes guys, blood. What's the third step? Exchange between blood and the organ. Yes, did you understand? Now where's the oxygen? Oxygen has now reached the organ. Organ में कहाँ जाएगा oxygen? It will go to the cells present in the organ. Organs are made up of what? Tissues. Tissues are made up of what? Cells. So it will go where? In the cells. Where does the oxygen go, guys? It goes into the cells. Now what happens? Now in the cell, cellular respiration happens. As I was telling you ना, उस cell में जैसे ही घुसेगा, glucose will become, what? Pyruvate फिर टूट के बनेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, एनर्जी विल बी रिलीज्ड, राइट? वेरी गुड बेटा, वी विल रिपीट. आई रिपीट. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ब्रीदिंग, दैट इज टेकिंग इन ऑक्सीजन. सेकंड स्टेप इज बेटा एक्सचेंज बिटवीन ब्लड एंड लंग्स. थर्ड स्टेप is exchange between, yes guys, blood and organs. And the fourth step is, guys, cellular or respiration. The fourth step is cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, beta, what is happening? The glucose is broken with the help of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water or whatever, right? Very good guys, amazing work. ठीक है, हमें समझ आ गया सर. अब क्या करें? अब हम दोबारा देखें. We have understood the 4 steps. We have understood the 4 steps. Very good sir. Now guys, see, now we'll talk about the first step, that is breathing. अब थोड़ा ब्रीदिंग के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. अब ब्रीदिंग में क्या होता है बेटा? बाहर से एयर हमारे अंदर चली जाती है. हाउ? But see what happens when I'm breathing in. See, my lungs are on a muscle. This muscle called as diaphragm. Guys, my muscle are resting. See, ये मेरा ऐसा एक muscle है, एक बड़ा सा muscle है, C-shaped muscle है यहाँ पे. There's a C-shaped muscle over here on which my lungs are resting. ठीक है, ये C-shaped muscles क्या करते हैं? They become like this. They pull the lungs down like this. They pull the lungs down like this. है ना, नीचे करते हैं तो उनका वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है. और मेरे रिब्स क्या करते हैं? दे पुल इट लाइक दिस. दे पुल इट इन दिस डायरेक्शन. इट्स लाइक अ बलून which is being pulled down also and which is pulled like this also. So now what happens guys? The volume of my lung increase. ऐसे करते हैं तो डायफ्राम ऐसे डाउन होता है और ये बाहर की तरफ आता है, तो my volume of my lungs increase. So guys, when volume increase, then what happens? The pressure in my lungs goes down. The pressure in my lungs goes down, है ना? तो क्या हो गया? बाहर है हाई प्रेशर, एंड एयर ऑलवेज मूव्स फ्रॉम अ रीजन ऑफ हाई प्रेशर टू अ लो प्रेशर. सो द एयर मूव्स फ्रॉम द लंग, फ्रॉम द outside into my lung. My lungs get filled with oxygen. Are you getting my point? Did you understand guys? समझ आया? First step. Yes or no? Yes or no guys? Come on. Yes? Amazing. Moving forward. Now what happens guys? Now when I have to exhale, my diaphragm come back to normal position. ठीक है, my ribs come back to normal position. What happens? The pressure in my lungs becomes high, and now this time pressure over here is high, so the air from inside moves out. Did you understand? Very good. What's happening in inhalation, guys? Inhalation, the volume of my lungs is increasing, because of which there's a less pressure in my lungs, है ना? And because of less pressure, the pressure outside the body is high, so the air moves from the region of high pressure into the low pressure into my lungs, right? So that is what happens. Very good. When I'm exhaling, the diaphragm relaxes, the chest contracts, the pressure inside increases, and the air goes out. Very good. Now, let's study about human respiratory system. ठीक है, let's talk about human respiratory system. How will you draw it? अब ये draw करने के लिए एक जगह नहीं है. How will you draw it? Let me just see. Yeah. So how do we draw it, guys? How do we draw a respiratory system? Let me just show it to you. See, we want to draw a human respiratory system, guys. See, we draw like this. We'll draw a lung, the second lung, like this. Guys, draw with me, okay? The more you draw with me, the more you will learn. The more you will learn, the more you will, understand. Right, guys? So it looks, I'm not drawing the other side. See, yeah. Very good. Very good. Now, guys, see. ठीक है, this is the ugly looking human. बट ये इसका माउथ है, ये इसका नोज है, ठीक है. So guys, यहाँ पे ये फूड पाइप है. दिस इज द विंड पाइप, ठीक है. तो guys, this entire region is called as pharynx. ठीक है, this entire region is called as pharynx. If you can see, this entire region is called as pharynx, guys. ठीक है. Focus over here from here to here. This portion. Okay, let me use a different ink. This portion is called as larynx. The top portion of my trachea. The top portion of my trachea. This is the windpipe, guys. The top portion of the trachea is larynx. Okay. The top portion of trachea is larynx, which leads to bronchi. Trachea splits into two bronchi, which leads to bronchioles. The bronchioles lead to alveoli. The bronchioles lead to, guys, alveoli. Guys, this alveoli is very important. Why is alveoli important, guys? Alveoli is the site for exchange. Site of exchange. So what has been exchanged over here? But it's the site of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. मतलब the oxygen comes from here, है ना, यहाँ से आता है, ट्रकिया में जाता है ना, ब्रोंकाई में जाता है, then it comes to the alveoli, और यहाँ से it gets into the blood, and blood से carbon dioxide comes over here. ठीक है guys, very good. Larynx is also called as voice box. Larynx is also called as, guys, what? Voice box. Very good, sir. है ना. Now guys, this, as I told you, ये food pipe है हमारा, ये wind pipe है. When I am eating the food, guys, this wind pipe gets covered with a flap of skin. So this is my wind pipe. It gets covered with a flap of skin. This flap of skin is called as, guys, epiglottis. What is this called as? It is called as, अरे क्या हो गया, epiglottis. अरे यार एक सेकेंड गाइस, oopsie. अरे यार ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई। कोई बात नहीं गाइस, लेट्स फोकस, है ना बेटा। तो व्हाट वाज आई टेलिंग यू, ये मेरा विंड पाइप है, ये मेरा फूड पाइप है। तो गाइस द विंड पाइप गेट्स कवर्ड विद अ फ्लैप ऑफ स्किन कॉल्ड एज एपिग्लॉटिस। ठीक है, व्हाट डज एपिग्लॉटिस डू? इट प्रिवेंट्स एंट्री ऑफ फूड, it prevents entry of food into the windpipe when I am swallowing the food. Whenever I'm swallowing the food, जो मेरा windpipe है, it gets covered with a flap of skin called as epiglottis. Very good sir. एक और चीज पता होनी चाहिए guys, ट्रकिया और ब्रोंकाई में ना there are C-shaped rings. ट्रकिया और ब्रोंकाई में there are C-shaped rings, cartilaginous rings. These C-shaped rings क्या करते हैं बेटा? ये prevents collapsing of the trachea when air is not there. मतलब देखो, for example आपने देखा होगा कभी आप एयर ब्लो करते हो, व्हेन यू आर एयर ब्लोइंग इनटू अ पॉली बैग, ठीक है, तो वो स्वेल कर जाता है। व्हेन यू आर सकिंग इट आउट तो क्या होता है, वो पिचक जाता है। And you would understand guys, if you blow air into some paper bag or a poly bag, what happens to it? It swells up, है ना, and suddenly when you pull out the air, what will happen? It will collapse. तो we don't want our trachea to collapse, right? हम नहीं चाहते कि हमारा trachea collapse हो जाए। तो उसको prevent करने के लिए there are C-shaped rings in trachea and bronchi to prevent collapse of the trachea. Cool, we have understood function of this thing. Now someone is asking Adam's apple क्या होता है बेटा? As I have told you, the top portion is trachea, the top portion of the trachea is larynx, और larynx is also called as a voice box, और voice box में ना सही एक ऐसा सा एक cartilage extend होता है। This cartilage is called as Adam's apple, which is present on the larynx. इसको Adam's apple क्यों कहते हैं? Eve's apple क्यों नहीं कहते बेटा? क्योंकि बेटा this is present only, yes, है ना, this happens only in male में present होता है Adam's apple. It's a characteristic of a male. ठीक है, फीमेल का लैरिंक्स इतना डेवलप नहीं होता, मतलब डेवलप नहीं होता, मतलब दिस कार्टिलेज इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द फीमेल। अब क्यों सर ऐसा क्यों है? क्योंकि बेटा जेनेटिकली इट इज लाइक जेनेटिक्स। नाउ एज आई वाज टेलिंग यू, द एयर फ्रॉम हियर कम्स वेयर गाइस? from the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and then it comes to the alveoli. I was telling you alveoli is very important. Why? Because here exchange happens. It's the exchange site. What's the exchange site? See, the air coming in brings lots of oxygen, है ना, and obviously if exchange is happening, what did I tell you? What will alveoli have? Alveoli has lots of blood capillaries. Oxygen को जाना कहाँ पे है guys? Oxygen, where it has to go? It has to go to the blood. So obviously alveoli में what should be present? Blood should be present. Lot of blood capillaries should be. So guys, the oxygen gets into the blood capillaries, and the blood which is coming over here puts the carbon dioxide in the alveoli. Are you able to understand? So here the second step is happening guys, exchange between the lungs, that is alveoli, and the blood. Lungs are giving oxygen to the blood, and the blood is giving carbon dioxide to the lungs so that which can be expelled. And which part of the lungs guys? Alveoli part of the lungs is receiving this thing, and which will be thrown out, right? I hope you understood it. Very good. What's the exchange guys? Very important question will come. What is the exchange site of lungs? Alveoli, है ना? Very good. That's, and alveoli is heavily supplied with blood vessels. ठीक है बेटा? Alveoli is what? Heavily supplied with blood vessels. Moving forward. Now guys, where does the oxygen go? Oxygen जा कहाँ रहा है? In the blood. अब blood में तो चला गया सर, but blood में कहाँ जा रहा है बेटा? Blood में it goes to RBC. The oxygen in the blood goes where? To the RBC of the blood. RBC कैसे दिए? It's a type of a cell present in the blood. So उसके पास क्यों जाता है बेटा? Because it has a pigment called as hemoglobin. RBC has a pigment, red colored pigment called as hemoglobin, जिससे कि ऑक्सीजन आके अटैच हो जाता है, तो ऑक्सीजन comes and attaches itself with the hemoglobin. अच्छा, Very good. And you would have read, right? Hemoglobin is what, guys? Hemoglobin is the oxygen carrying pigment. Hemoglobin is oxygen carrying pigment of the blood. Did you understand this? Very good. है ना? The oxygen bonds with the hemoglobin at the alveoli and it is released. This hemoglobin releases this oxygen. Yes, guys, at the tissue level. मतलब next step is, guys, what is happening? Next step is it is going to the tissue. See again. Let me explain it again, all over again. ठीक है? See, I'm breathing in oxygen. The oxygen goes to the blood. है ना? This blood, as soon as it enters, it forms bond with the hemoglobin. This hemoglobin is present where in the RBC. This RBC and hemoglobin take it to my tissues. As soon as they reach the tissue, what happens? The hemoglobin loses the oxygen which enters into my muscles and where respiration can happen. Guys, वेदांतु के ऐप पे there is live online quiz happening every day. Prize pool up to 50,000. You can guess, guys, you can win up to 50,000 rupees just playing games over there. ठीक है? तो do join in, guys. Do download the app in the description box और guys खेलो, बहुत मजेदार गेम्स है, trust me on this. आपको पेटीएम के कैशबैक्स मिल सकते हैं, शॉपिंग कर सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? मेक यूज ऑफ दिस थिंग. एक बार क्विक चेक कर लेते हैं जो हमने पढ़ा है अभी तक. ग्लूकोज टू पायरुवेट कन्वर्जन ऑकर्स वेयर. यस गाइस, मैंने कहा था ग्लूकोज कन्वर्ट हो जाता है पायरुवेट में. Where does this happen? It happens in cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus or ribosome. Yes guys, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exactly guys, it happens in the cytoplasm. Guys, जो first step होता है, जैसे ही ग्लूकोज एंटर करता है मेरे साइटोप्लाज्म में, it becomes pyruvate and this pyruvate is converted into carbon dioxide energy in mitochondria in case of aerobic respiration. Guys, और anaerobic respiration के दोनों steps happens in the cytoplasm. Aerobic respiration happens where? One step happens in cytoplasm, that is glycolysis. The other step, next step happens in the mitochondria. Whereas in case of anaerobic respiration, both the steps happens in the, yes guys, cytoplasm. Moving forward. The muscle that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. बेटा, this is thoracic cavity जहाँ पे lungs होता है. Abdominal cavity यहाँ पे जो abdomen, abs होती है. ठीक है? तो कौन सी मसल इसको डिवाइड करती है? कार्डियक मसल, रिब केज, डायफ्राम और लंग. यस गाइस, कम ऑन, ट्राई एवरीवन. चलो आंसर करो. ए बी सी डी, कम ऑन. एग्जैक्टली गाइस, डायफ्राम मैंने बताया था ना. देखो ये मेरा लंग्स है. लंग्स किसके ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं गाइस? They are present on the diaphragm, है ना? देखो, this is my lungs. It is present over here. यहाँ पे क्या है? Diaphragm है. It is separating my thoracic cavity and the abdomen. Right. Moving forward. During inhalation, the diaphragm moves downwards, moves upwards, stays as such or not inward. During inhalation, what happens to the diaphragm, guys? Moves downward, moves upward, stays as such or nothing happens. Come on, guys. Try. Exactly, inhalation के time पे it moves downwards, right? As I've told you, so that it increases the volume. It increases the volume, and yes, guys, the air from outside can rush in inside. Gas exchange occurs where? Bronchi, alveoli, bronchioles or trachea. Come on, guys. Gas का exchange कहाँ पे होता है? What is the exchange site? Come on, very easy. अभी मैंने बताया था 10 बार. Exactly, answer is alveoli. Alveoli is the site of exchange. Claps for yourself, guys. Good job. Amazing work. Great job. Moving forward, guys, वेदांतु का स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट हो रहा है. कितने बच्चों ने नहीं दिया है? ठीक है, guys, do register for it, है ना? Why we said? Because guys, you can get scholarship, है ना? It's a free registration, online test. You can give it from your home, and guys, you will get scholarships for paid courses of the Vedantu app. Guys, there are hundreds of paid courses. ठीक है, amazing teachers पढ़ाते हैं. वो you can get it for free. Come on, like this guy has got it for free, you can also get it for free. तो do register guys, ठीक है, कुछ नहीं करना, कुछ रजिस्टर करना और देना है, फ्री का टेस्ट है, तो प्लीज आई वुड से मेक यूज ऑफ इट सो दैट यू कैन एक्सेस द पेड कंटेंट ऑल्सो। हम तो चाहते हैं कि लाइक आई वुड डेफिनेटली पर्सनली वांट कि आप जितना हो सके उतना फायदा उठाओ। तो गाइस व्हाट डू यू नो टुडे, व्हाट डिड वी रीड अबाउट, वी रेड अबाउट रेस्पिरेशन, एरोबिक हमने पढ़ा, एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन पढ़ा, ठीक है। फिर हमने मैकेनिज्म ऑफ ब्रीथिंग पढ़ा कि एयर अंदर क्यों जाती है, डायफ्राम का रोल पढ़ा हमने। फिर हमने ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम देखा, राइट गाइस, कि कैसे ट्रकिया, ब्रोंकाई है ना, ब्रोंक्यूल, फिर एल्वियोलाई, और एक्सचेंज कैसे होता है एल्वियोलाई और ब्लड के बीच में, वी सॉ दिस, ठीक है राइट। तो वेरी गुड। तो देयर इज अ होमवर्क फॉर यू, व्हाई आर ह्यूमन ब्लड सेल्स बाइकनकेव, जो हमारे ह्यूमन रेड सेल्स हैं वो बाइकनकेव क्यों है, दिस इज अ होमवर्क फॉर यू, ठीक है। इसके अलावा होमवर्क है आपको वो चार्ट बनाना है, वो जो था ना, ग्लूकोज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड टू पायरुवेट, फिर 3 पार्ट्स में, एरोबिक, एनारोबिक इन मसल्स एंड एनारोबिक इन यीस्ट, इसका माइंड मैप बनाना है आपको। तो दीज आर द होमवर्क्स फॉर यू गाइस, ठीक है। यस, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, दीज आर द होमवर्क फॉर यू। This one, like why human cells are biconcave in shape, and the other one, draw the mind map of products and byproducts of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay guys, very good guys, as I've told you, don't forget to share it with your friends, ठीक है, अपने friends को बताओ, let them have maximum use of it, ठीक है। इस चीज को करने में गाइस बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क लगता है, ठीक है, जो कंटेंट बनाना पूरा, फिर आपको पढ़ाना, तो इट टेक्स लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट, तो मेक श्योर एवरीवन गेट्स यूज ऑफ इट, है ना, मैक्सिमम यूज हो सके उसका, है ना। डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, दोज ऑफ यू हु आर न्यू गाइस, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी कीप ऑन हैविंग सेशंस इन नॉट ओनली बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथमेटिक्स, इंग्लिश, सोशल, यू से इट एंड वी हैव इट। समटाइम्स हम आपसे पूछते हैं आपको क्या चाहिए, तो गाइस डू स्टे इन टच विद अस, ठीक है, डू लाइक द वीडियो, है ना। यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी एट amrit.raj@vedantu.com जब भी आपको कोई डिफिकल्टी होती है, तो आई वुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू रिस्पॉन्ड, बट हाँ, नॉर्मली आई वोंट रिस्पॉन्ड टू हाई हेलो, ये सब का रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता मैं तो या बट या डू स्टे इन टच विद अस गाइस, ठीक है। आई सी द नेक्स्ट सेशन गाइस। अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया है तो डू रीप्ले एंड वॉच इट, डू रीप्ले एंड वॉच इट, ओके। तो गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, एवरीथिंग आई हैव कवर्ड, एंड आई अश्योर यू 80% ऑफ द पेपर इस चैप्टर से जो भी आएगा ना, वो 80 के 90% इसी में से आएगा, वट एवर आई हैव टॉट यू इन दिस टाइम, right guys, so keep smiling guys, I'll see you in the next session, till then bye bye and have a good day and stay inside your homes, let's beat this corona, bye bye.